Hi, this is Sean Darrington, Senior Director of Product Management. And today in this short how-to video, I wanted to share with everybody how to disable two-factor verification or two-factor authentication, as well as how to change the method moving from Google Authenticator to an SMS or a text-based services to your mobile phone. So with this, I'm actually going to log in here to my OneBlox account within OneSystem. And now, because I have two-step verification enabled, and I have not selected Trust This Computer, it's actually prompted me not only for my password, but also my one-time password. Now, as I mentioned before, I already have my Google Authenticator set up for my account. So I enter in my one-time password, and now I'm actually in my OneSystem service to begin managing this. So I'm going to go here first to my account settings. And I'm actually going to go into changing my, you can change your password on this screen obviously, but I'm actually going to delete my app, my Google Authenticator, as the method for two-step verification. And in order to do that, I'm going to be prompted for my password, but I'm also going to be prompted for the one-time password that Google Authenticator is providing here. This is just obviously another layer of security for making sure that you actually do want to disable that, and you do and are in possession of your phone for that one-time password. So now for the method, I'm going to actually change the method by which I'm actually using for two-step verification, and now I'm going to be prompted for my password. And I'm going to be able to choose if I want to use a Google Authenticator, or in this case, I'm going to do text messages. So now I'm going to enter in my phone number, and I'm going to click Next. Now I'm actually going to get a text here in just a moment, and that is going to be 015417. And if I didn't get the code for whatever reason, I can resend it. We do support both domestic in terms of the United States phones, but also international phone numbers are supported as well. Now that I've successfully configured that, any tasks I do within OneSystem, deleting a share, deleting a mesh, or remote replication configuration, is going to prompt me for a one-time password. Okay, so now I'm going to switch. I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication for your service. You need to do this before you actually delete that two-step verification for a given admin if you want to, because as I mentioned in a previous how-to video, two-factor verification is at the entire OneSystem service level. So all admins and delegated admins will be required to use two-factor verification if it is enabled. So here, under the account settings, I can change my password and the method by which I have a two-step verification. But under the admin settings, this is where I can actually enable and disable two-factor verification for a given service. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and disable that for my service, Sean. And now I can go ahead and save that. And now all admins do not have to use that. But in some cases, if an admin wants to, they can do that on an individual basis, like I still have here. Or if I'm ready to, I can actually delete this, and it'll ask me for my password, but it'll also ask me for the one-time password that's going to be texted to my phone here. And that's 834725. And now, for my particular admin account in my service, I have disabled the two-step verification. And you can, of course, at any point, turn this back on and go ahead and enter your password and go through the step of, in this case, go through the step of the mobile app and Google Authenticator. And as I mentioned in the other how-to video, you can actually download that to your Windows, Android, or iOS devices, and it is free for everybody to use, and this is just through Google Play. So I'm not going to go through that in this step, but that's exactly how easy it is to disable two-step verification for a given service, or change the method of your two-step verification for a given admin within OneSystem. Thanks for watching.